I will be trying Ilocos Empanada na meron sa amin close. Stay till the end of the video kung magkano, and kung anong brand, and kung masarap ba. So far, I ordered it around 38 minutes ago. I timed it kasi sabi nila 1 hour yung kailangan ko antayin. It's very inconvenient, but tignan natin kung worth it yung pag-aantay. It took them 54 minutes to prepare it. Medyo medyo queuing, maraming tao. And at the same time, kaya siya matagal. They have promotions. Kung ilan yung bibilin mo, kung ito ganyan. But here's the product. So medyo mainit pa siya actually. But we're gonna take a bite. This is a legitimate sausawan, but we can never be so sure. Kasi number 1, hindi ko alam yung sausawan na Ilocos. Number 2, we'll take our second bite with this sausawan. Though, masarap. And at the same time, savory. Tapos yung parang mga laman niya sa loob. I see merong gulay, crunchy niya. And grabe. So since you stayed at the end of the video, I will rate it 7 out of 10. The brand is Fariños Ilocos Empanada, located sa tapat or sa side ng Vista Mall Dasma. I'm not sure if they have a lot as well, the locations. But the price, that's why it's a 7 out of 10. It has something to do with the price. And of course, 50 minutes we're in Ilocos Empanada. I'm not saying naman na reklamador tayo, but you know, isasadyain to eh. And it was inconvenient. Paano pa kaya sa ibang tao? Buti na lang wala akong ginagawa tonight. So, subscribe and like, and I'll see you all in the next video. The price is 160 pesos.